Okay, so the name of today's activity is blooming flowers. What is the name of the activity? Blooming flowers. Now teacher will show you what all you need for this blooming flowers activity. So you will need a blank paper like this. Then you will need a scissor, pencil, eraser, a bowl filled with water and your crayons. So now let's start our activity. So now what you have to do is you have to keep the paper on the floor like this. Fold the paper into half and again fold the paper. Okay, after you make a small rectangle like this, you draw a flower on it. Like this. After you draw a flower like this, you will cut the flower. But you are not going to cut the flower. Cutting of the flower will be done by your mama. Is that clear? You will not use the scissor. Mama will cut the flower and give you. You only have to fold the paper and draw the flower. After your mama cuts the flower, it will look like this. After mama cuts the flower, you will have to color the flower. Color the flower like this. Color. Take any of your favorite color and start coloring the flower nicely. Okay, now you have colored your flower. Now what you have to do is, teacher has colored more flowers like this. Okay, see, like this. Now what you have to do is, you have to fold the petals like this. See, you will not fold it like this. You will fold the petal half. See, like this. Like this. Don't press it, just press it lightly. Like this. Fold all the petals of all the flowers. We are ready with the flowers. Now what you have to do is, one by one, you have to put these flowers in the water. Can you see? The flowers are blooming in the water. See how the flowers are opening up. See how the flowers are opening in the water. Can you see? See this. The name of this activity is Blooming Flowers Activity. I want you to do this activity at home and enjoy doing this activity. Okay kids? So bye and happy learning.